Folklore isteach go Suantraí Íosa, where we're looking at the readings for tomorrow, Thursday, the 21st of September, the feast of Saint Matthew, Evangelist and Apostle of Christ. Matthew primarily writes his gospel to help Jewish converts and is very rich because of that in Jewish tradition. The psalm tomorrow is Psalm 19. The heavens proclaim the glory of God, and the firmament shows forth the work of his hands. I love the night sky. I think there is nothing like halting and looking up at the stars at night and seeing how indeed the firmament shows forth the works of the hands of God. Paul, writing to the Ephesians, chapter 4, is the first reading tomorrow. I, the prisoner of the Lord, implore you to live a life worthy of your vocation. And he goes on to point that each one of us has been given graces special to our own calling, allotted to us by Christ. And in this way, we are called to come to a unity in our faith, in our community, in our service of one another, and in the knowledge of the Son of God that is revealed to us in the church until we become the perfect man or woman, fully mature with the fullness of Christ himself. We're required to live a mature life, to live in this world as we would live in heaven, even though this world is unjust and violent and sinful. We seek to live as we would live in the kingdom of heaven. The gospel tomorrow, the call of Matthew. Matthew is sitting at the customs house. Obviously, there has been already conversations between Christ and Matthew. He's already at some level a follower of Christ, but now Christ says to him, "Come, follow me." And he does. And he goes then to Matthew's house, and there he's having a meal. Now the Pharisees, far from being mature spiritually, are seeking to catch him out. So they use this as an opportunity to criticize him for being in the company of, inverted commas, tax collectors and sinners. But Jesus deals with this perfectly when he says, it's not the healthy who need the doctor, but the sick. Go therefore and learn the meaning of the words. What I want is mercy, not sacrifice. Perfect answer. But it's not easy to live a mature spiritual life in this world, even if you are the Son of God. How much harder it is for us. With thoughts such as these, let us go to our beds and let us pray that we shall indeed awaken in the morning with the praise of God on our hearts and on our lips. Agus, Gamana, Dia, Ilakok, the Shiv, Ahal, Mak, agus Spirit Nave. Amen. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.